Hi, science students. Our essential question for today is how do I set up a great at-home workspace? So this is a practice project, a practice engineering project, but also it's important to have a nice place where you're comfortable and can focus at home while we do this online learning. Okay, so we're going to do this in steps. Steps 1, we're going to clear clutter and distractions. So having a nice place to study at home, you just want a place where you can focus. So let's just, whether it's a corner of the room or wherever you are, let's just try to clear the clutter and distractions. Okay, step 2, we're going to start drawing our diagram. And first of all, we need, I'm going to draw my setup at home, and then you can draw yours as well. So the first step, we're going to have whatever you're using, if it's a desk, a small table, even a board. So this would be our little desk, our table. This is where we keep our things. So step 2 is what kind of platform are you going to have? Step 2. Okay, step number 3 is light. So you're going to have a desk lamp. I'm going to put what I have right here. I've got a window in front of my desk. Again, you don't have to make a fancy drawing, anything like that. But here's the window. This is my light source. And what is your light source? I also have a lamp right here. So number 2 would be your light. Sorry, number 3 would be your light. Number 4 would be your seat. Typically it's good to sit up straight, have a nice comfortable chair, but you don't want to be too comfortable. You probably don't want to be laying down, laying on the floor. You want to have a seat, even if it's on the floor. You just want to have, here's my chair here by my desk, a place where you can sit up straight and then take a lot of breaks so you can get up, walk around, move your body, and stop. Okay, then number 5, you're going to want supply storage. So we do need some materials for all of our classes at school and where they're going to be. So over here next to my desk, you can put where you have it on your desk is a little thing I found in the garage, and it's a little plastic thing. It's got 3 shelves in it, and in here I've got my pens, pencils, I've got rulers, I have tape, scissors, and I've even got a compass, protractors, things like that. You don't have to write everything out. But what are you going to use for your supply storage? Another thing that works well, you can also use old soup cans, like tin cans are great for pens and pencils. You may have some little cardboard boxes that you could put longer things like rulers in. So there are lots of different ways. And remember, this is a practice engineering assignment, so whatever you come up with that works for you is great. So find what works for you. Big thing here is organization. You want to be able to organize all your supplies so you don't even have to think about it when you look at them. They're just right where you need them. Okay, step 6, you'll need a calendar, and a lot of you will have your Canvas calendar on your Chromebook. So you can find your Canvas calendar on your Chromebook. You'll see everything there. But some people also, you might like paper calendars. And sometimes you may want to just, that works for me. If it doesn't work for you, you don't need to worry about it. But sometimes you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And here you could just write down what assignments are due: math, science, humanities, health, art class. What things are going to be due for that week? That may help you organize what is due when. Okay, your next step would be time. You have to make sure you're balancing your time. So whether you have it on your computer, your Chromebook, your iPhone, maybe you have a clock on the wall. I mean, we're all different, so however you're going to keep time is up to you. But it's important to keep time. Make sure you're spending equal time on your classes. Make sure you're taking time for breaks, and make sure you're getting some exercise and you manage your time well throughout the week. Okay, the last step would be challenges or barriers. These would be things that for some reason you're unable to take care of at home, whether they be distractions, whether they be lack of supplies, and what are they? So if you communicate those to me, your advisory teacher, anyone, just let us know what your challenges are and we can see if we can try to help you overcome those or find solutions to them. Okay, well, I can't wait to see your solutions. Is you're going to submit your drawings through a formative. And again, let's just review. How do I set up a great at-home workspace? That's our challenge. And let's go through the steps really quickly. You're going to clear clutter and distractions. You're going to have some kind of platform for a desk. You have a light source. You have a seat where you're sitting upright. And you're going to have supply storage for all your materials. You're going to have a calendar, probably on your Chromebook with Canvas or paper, whatever works for you. Going to manage your time, take breaks, spend time on each class, and let us know what your challenges are so we can help you. All right, can't wait to see your diagrams and responses.